Old School Automotive back again today, guys. And as you can see, we have ourselves here an F150. This is a 2018 F150. These are going to be pretty much the same on the F150s from 18 through 20 or 21. They're pretty much the same. Excuse me. There are a few subtle differences here and there, but anyway, this video is about bumper replacement. So there's three of these. It's a silver one, a gray one, and a black one. And at this point, all three of them have had to have their bumper replaced. This being the last. So to me, that means it's probably not the soundest design in the world, which, as you can see, this is pretty much the bumper shell itself, and it weighs pretty much nothing. So all this bracketry and stuff is what kind of holds all this together. It also has all these plastic pieces, your fog lights, this grill piece in the front, this lower piece, which is broken. I have a new one. I'm about to replace it. But these little pieces up here that are held in by the little clippy-doos. So if you take one of these things in to get your bumper replaced on a 18 through 21 Ford F-150, and they quote you an arm and a leg, and you're thinking to yourself, boy, it just should not cost this much to replace a bumper. Well, that piece of metal right here was $276 or $79, and now I have to move all the pieces from this one over to this one and then get it back on there. So that's why the labor cost is up on a bumper replacement, guys. Like and subscribe for more.